Friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal drawing tutorial in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we'll start from the top plane. So select the exit plane, rotate the view. Here we'll take the 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point, make a rectangle profile. Now go to Dimension. Define the width of 150 mm and the height here of 100 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Now take the face command, so it will construct a sheet metal part. Press OK. Here go to sheet metal defaults and define the thickness. Uncheck this and we'll define the thickness to 1.5 mm. Click on apply and exit. Okay, the thickness has changed to 1.5. Now here go to the flange command and select this edge, select this bottom edge and select bottom. So we have selected all the bottom edges and here we will define the distance as 15 mm and apply. Exit. Now go to part 1. We have a cutouts for vent. Okay, so we are going to construct this now. Go to part 2. Select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the circle command and make a circle over here of dia 90. Enter. Go to dimension. From outer edge, this will be at a distance of 50 mm. Okay. Now go to the horizontal constraint, select this point and select center point. Now this is fully defined. Go to sheet metal and take cut command. This will be cut up to thickness and press OK. Okay. Now select this face again, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the ribs. Go to the circle command and take center point circle. So drag the cursor on this, you will find the center point of this circle. Here we will construct circle of diameter 70. From same center, diameter 50 and one more of diameter 25. Okay. Now take offset command, select 70 dia, drag the cursor outside, press enter, take offset of 2.5. Similarly, select the 70 dia circle, drag cursor inside, enter and take 2.5. Okay. Similarly, we will do with dia 50. Select the circle, enter and give offset of 2.5. Select the circle again, enter and 2.5 inside. Now escape. Now select the 70 dia circle and 50 dia circle. Make them construction geometry. Okay. Now here go to sheet metal, take face command, select this profile and select dia 25. This will be same thickness of 1.5 and press OK. Okay. Go to the top view, you can see the view. Select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to generate the ribs. Take the rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point of this circle. Okay, make the rectangle profile. Go to dimension. The width here will be of 92 and this height will be of 5 mm. Now finish sketch. Now take the face command and select this rectangle profile. This is a joining profile. Press OK. Go to home. Okay. Now take the corner round. Take corner round command. Select this edge. Okay. Now here we will define the radius of 2.5 mm. Go to corner selection. Select this corner. Select this and this. Now rotate the profile. Now select the opposite side. One by one we will select all. Okay, this and this. Now press OK. Go to home. Now we want to pattern this profile. So take the circular pattern. Select the face 3 and corner round 1. Go to rotation axis and select this face. Here we want a count of 6 at 360°. Press OK. So you can see the profile now. Select this face again. Go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the slotted profiles. So this slot profile which is created here, we are going to construct this. Go to part 2. From here we will take center to center slot. Make a slot profile over here. Go to dimension. Define this radius as 2 mm. Okay. And the center to center distance of 38 mm. The center point from this outer edge will be at 7 mm and this edge of slot from this outer will be at 5 mm. Now escape. Now we are going to make a center line. Take the line command. From this center point, make a straight line and escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Select this and select this line, make them also construction geometry. Now go to mirror, select this slotted profile. Go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Okay. Now take the rectangular pattern, select this slot 1 and this slot 2. Go to direction 1, select this line, flip the direction. Here the gap will be of 8 mm and the count of 6. Okay. Now press OK and finish sketch. Now here take 3D model, take extrude, select all the profiles, take haircut. We have taken a depth of 10 mm, so it is OK and press OK. Okay, now go to part 1. Now we are left with these mounting profiles. Go to part 2 and here take the sheet metal and select flange command. Here select this edge, but we only want a middle flange, so go to more settings and here we will take width. The width of this flange will be 25 mm and the height also of 25. Press apply. Similarly, select this edge, it will automatically select the dimensions. Just click apply. Rotate, select here, press apply, rotate and here and okay. This time it has selected the inner edge. Cancel and go to the flange command once again. Here it is already taken 25. Go to more settings, take here width, it is also 25 and this time select this outer edge. Okay, and press OK. Now here go to the corner rounds, select here corner round. This time we are going to take 12.5 mm. Go to corner selection, select all the corners, so it will construct a all round profile. Okay, here, here and this last. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch and here take the circle command. Drag the cursor on this, make a circle of diameter 10. Similarly, we will make on all center points. Circle command. Okay. Now go to equal constraint, select this circle and select all the 3 by pressing Ctrl. So it will make a similar dia. Okay, equal dia of 10 mm. Finish sketch. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, select all the profiles, take haircut and press OK. Go to home. Okay. Now here if you want to make a flat pattern, go to sheet metal and click create flat pattern. So it will generate a flat pattern of this profile. Go to the folded part. Now here go to defaults, press weld aluminum. Okay, so this is the profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.